He fucking that shit up.
Oh, God. Stop, y'all are being mean. Eat, ugly. Alright, well, YouTube, it's your boy ZJ Serious, and I'm in this video, like I said in my other video, my last video, time to put the sports pedal in. So, even though I already got sports pedal on my car already, but I want to put these in because you understand why. I'm gonna show you why. Alright, the reason I want to change them out, even though I got blue ones already, like these don't actually fit on my car. This actually fits on a Honda Civic, I think, 10th generation. But if I put my feet right here, like let's just say I stop somewhere. If I put my feet like this, it'll like slides off, like it'll pop off. Like you think I'm not, watch this. Just like that, pops off. It does not fit in my car. So with these have like bolts on the back, so it will not move, shake off, or even though I kick it, it's still, boy, that pop out good. Ooh. But yeah, though, so even though don't try to get on me about this, cause I'm gonna vacuum my car. I'm gonna vacuum it. I'm gonna have to wash it either way though. But yeah, though, let's get straight to the video.
Yeah, hotel at the hotel. She wanna keep it on the low. Only us fell in love when she said that I won't tell. But I never seen you as a side in my eyes. I need you shotgun right in front seat. Never needed a title cause she knew what it was. Know you wanted more, what we is ain't enough. You ever move on, I'll probably be fucked up. I know it's selfish to not let you go when I'm being a hoe. I just can't accept it. To let another nigga in cause he just don't know how to hit your spot like I do. If you in need, would he come through? Make you smile cause you know I'ma move. If it ever go down, would he shoot? Baby, I do it for you. Love, trust, you ain't get enough. No matter what I do, you still pick me up. Missing all them days we had one-on-ones. I've been searching but indeed if you're right. Somebody call me a medic. I see now you my medicine. I act up when I ain't taking none. So come here, girl, I'm about to OD. You know how to get to yourself. You're so private, get me so excited. You tell me you ain't tripping off a nigga wealth. That's why when the bands come in, I gotta splurge it on. We gotta leave the past in the past. Even though that it's hard to move on. Insecure, girl, I know that it grew on. I'm to blame, but it's things that you should know. That I know it's selfish to not let you go when I'm being a hoe. Just can't accept it. To let another nigga in cause he just don't know how to hit your spot like I do. If you in need, would he come through? Make you smile cause you know I'ma move. If it ever go down, would he show? Baby, I do it for you. Love, trust, you ain't get enough. No matter what I do, you still pick me up. Missing all them days we had one-on-ones. I've been searching but indeed if you're right. Somebody call me a medic. I see now you my medicine. I act up when I ain't taking none. So come here, girl, I'm about to OD.
Well, yeah, this is how it looks. That shit looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that feel good. Ooh, that shit looks good on here. It actually matched my car cause the blue matched with the carpets and the seats and stuff. The black, everything here black kinda, and the silver part right there match with this, that, like everything in my car. Yeah, so this is actually pretty good in my car though. But yeah,
You acted like I was not here. This world is cruel, it's never fair. Got your bitch on a leash, eat up all my treats. Yes, you know me, Mr. Do It All. Ball till I fall, watch the phone ring while she call. No, don't shop at the mall, cross her over like Jamal.